Good morning, class. Today we will continue chapter 18 in science, pollution of air and water. So, today's topic is greenhouse effect. What do you mean by greenhouse effect? Let us discuss. So, let us see about some natural phenomena. So, do you know how our earth get heated? From where it get the temperature required by earth and all the living organism residing on the earth? Actually all the energy is got by sun. So ultimate source of energy on the earth is sun. How? Let me explain. This is our natural phenomena, how earth gets temperature. See, this is sun and this is earth. Earth has atmosphere around it. Yes, and as you know, besides from all the other gases, atmosphere also contains some amount of carbon dioxide gas. See, this is presence of carbon dioxide gas on the surface, that is in the atmosphere of earth. Yes, when sun's radiations fall on the atmosphere of earth, then some amount of the temperature, you can say sufficient amount of temperature, is trapped or absorbed by this atmosphere, and rest is got reflected again to the outer portion of the atmosphere. See, rest amount is get reflected, some amount is get trapped. Is it? So this is how earth gets sufficient temperature, not less, not more than its requirement. This is our normal condition of absorbing temperature by earth. So which factor is reasonable for absorbing the temperature? Carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas is having ability to capture or to absorb, or you can say to trap the heat. From where? From the radiations of sun. That's why also carbon dioxide is known as greenhouse gas. Why? We will discuss later why this is termed as greenhouse gas. So see, this is natural phenomena of heating of the earth. Now let us discuss about another phenomena. When our atmosphere get polluted, when pollution is very lot in our atmosphere. So this is our polluted phenomena, student. Again, this is sun, this is our earth, earth's atmosphere, and this is radiation coming from sun. Now see, student, this condition is saying us heat trap is more than sufficient amount. Heat trapped is more than sufficient amount. Why? Because, student, you see, due to pollution, overusing of the vehicles, factories, industries, and over process of deforestation, the amount of some gases like carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbon, methane, and other gases are increasing in the atmosphere. There may be nitrous oxide also, NO2, yes. So you just take that many polluting gases are increasing in atmosphere also. So this increased amount of gases trap more amount of heat than requirement. You can see that due to over cutting of tree, amount of carbon dioxide has also increased. And as we know, carbon dioxide has the ability to absorb the temperature. So now it will absorb more temperature than the earlier. And there are other gases also which are absorbing the temperature. For example, methane CH4 and chlorofluorocarbons, that is CFCs. So these gases also contribute to absorb the temperature of sun. This is known as greenhouse effect. Why? Because this effect is happening due to greenhouse gases. Actually, this is a phenomena which is used in greenhouse nursery, where it is helpful in germination and propagation of new plants and new variety. When you will go to nursery, you will find there is a place which is termed as greenhouse, and that place is having glass cover Yes, you just take like that. That place has glass cover and some gases are present inside that. For example, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, CFCF, etc. These gases are filled in greenhouse to increase the temperature. Why? Because due to increment of the temperature, the process of germination, the process of growth of plants takes very efficiently and rapidly. That's why in greenhouses these gases are used. But student, now you can see that this type of effect is happening in our earth's surrounding. This is happening in our atmosphere, but here this is not helpful. This is increasing the temperature. So firstly, this is setting greenhouse effect in our earth's atmosphere. So what happens? Firstly, see what is greenhouse effect. When amount of greenhouse gases are increased in atmosphere due to air pollution, as a result of greenhouse effect, temperature of overall world is increasing, which is termed as global warming also. So here we had switched to a new term, that is global warming. We will discuss about these terms later, but here I am setting you, I am making this video to explain you the whole phenomena and whole concept. So now I think you have understood how our earth get heated and how it is capturing more than sufficient amount of temperature. Why? Because of effect of greenhouse. So due to greenhouse effect, when the temperature is increased, then overall temperature of the world, whole world, is having its increased temperature, and this temperature is known, increment of temperature is known as global warming. And student, do you know that the overall temperature of the earth has been increased by 0.5 degrees centigrade? Yes, so but this is also considerable. Why? Because as you know that earth contain more amount of water, 72% is of earth is covered with water and rest are land. If whole amount of the water will get melted, we know that the maximum amount of the water is in frozen form. In glaciers, in polar region, these all are in frozen form. And if temperature will increase, then student, our whole earth will sink because land is less than the amount of water on the surface of earth. So this is a very considerable problem, and you should ponder over this and you should take some steps regarding this. So what steps can be taken? You should plant more and more tree. You should minimize the use of vehicles run by petrol and diesel, and the vehicles which are running should use cleaner fuels like CNG or LPG. Factories should also use CNG or LPG. So finally, student, you have understood what is greenhouse effect. This is natural phenomena of earth increasing temperature, and this is the phenomena due to polluted atmosphere, and this is setting greenhouse effect on the earth. And due to greenhouse effect, there is process of global warming. You just pause the video and you just look at these two phenomena. You just try to understand the concept given in this video. Now let us discuss about some greenhouse gases. The greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, as you know. An amount of carbon dioxide will increase when we will cut tree. Why? Because plants use carbon dioxide in the process of photosynthesis. Methane, nitrous oxide, increased amount of water vapor also increase the temperature of earth. This also act as greenhouse gas. And chlorofluorocarbons, finally CFCs. So why I am emphasizing on the term chlorofluorocarbon? Because this is the only greenhouse gas which is made by human being. Why human has made chlorofluorocarbon, which is increasing our Earth's temperature, which is very harmful for us. Why human has made this? Actually, human has made chlorofluorocarbon to use in refrigerator and air conditioner. Now you can imagine what is the function of refrigerator. Refrigerator actually absorbs the whole temperature of food items kept in this, and AC also absorbs the temperature of our room and then it cools the room, and refrigerator also decrease the temperature of food item. That's why human has made chlorofluorocarbon for his own convenience, but due to overuse of refrigerator and AC, you can say, the amount of chlorofluorocarbon is also increasing in the atmosphere, and that's why chlorofluorocarbon is also acting as harmful greenhouse gas. The gas which human has made for the welfare of human being now acting as the harm, you can say, enemy, foe, or as a harmful factor for the human being, which is reasonable for the increment of the temperature of earth. So now you just write these examples of greenhouse gases, you draw this figure in your rough notebook, try to understand, read the para of the book presented regarding greenhouse effect. That's all for today. Thank you.